Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to Nickey's kitchen. In today's video, we are making garlic potatoes. We're going to start off by parboiling our potatoes. Then we'll toss them around, roughen them up a bit around the edges, so that when we fry them, they become nice and crispy. And we end up with nice, crispy, garlicky potatoes. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? And now I lose my own sight. My love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a dream. So wait.
I started off with 5 large potatoes that I have peeled, washed, and cut into cubes. I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic in here. That's about 1 tablespoon, alongside a teaspoon of salt. I'll cover my potatoes and let them boil. It's been 15 minutes. I boiled my potatoes under medium heat. They're now cooked through. I'm going to add the lid and give them a toss to roughen them up around the edges.
You are no more than a dream.
I'm now going to heat up my oil until it's nice and hot, then fry my potatoes. My potatoes are now done. They're nice and crunchy. Can you hear that crunch? So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of paprika salt. This is half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'll sprinkle that on top and toss the potatoes to combine. And there you have it, guys, garlic potatoes, and believe me when I say that they're absolutely delicious. With that said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn all your notifications on so that you get notified every time I upload a video. I upload videos twice every week, and give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.